how to fix Facebook not working on your device. So, fix number one, first close the Facebook app. So, the app may simply be frozen in the background. So, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open recent apps and find Facebook and close it. So, I'm just going to close all of this, especially Facebook. Now, open Facebook again. So, many times this alone removes small loading glitches. Fix number two, switch your internet connection. So close Facebook and go to settings. If you're using Wi Fi, turn it off and switch to mobile data. So go to Wi Fi and toggle it off. So click on cellular and turn it on. Then go back into Facebook and test it again. Now, fix number three is to clear Facebook cache. So for Android users, open phone settings, tap on apps, look for Facebook, then tap on storage and tap on clear cache. So this removes temporary bug files that may be stopping Facebook from loading properly. If you use iPhone, don't worry, the next method is for you too. So fix number four is update the Facebook app. So close settings and go to App Store, search for Facebook. So it's loading a bit. So basically, you need to search for Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap on that. And older versions of Facebook sometimes stop working correctly after new server changes. So keeping the app updated is very important. Now, after updating, reopen Facebook and see if that fixes your problem. Now, fix number five is restart your phone. So simply hold the power button and turn your phone off. Then wait 50 seconds and turn it back on. Then launch Facebook again. Now, next method is to reinstall Facebook. So close Facebook and press and hold it. Then tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and tap on delete once more to confirm the action. Now, once deleted, go to App Store, Play Store. Then, once opened, click on the search bar and look for Facebook. Tap on it. And so you'll see a cloud icon. Tap on that to install Facebook or install button. Now, once installed, open Facebook again and see if that works. And final fix, check if Facebook servers are down. So sometimes the problem is not your phone. Facebook itself may be having an outage. So if nothing works, wait a bit and try again later. And that's how to fix Facebook not working on your device.